Hey everyone, it's been a really long time since I made a video. I'm really sorry for the delay. I think the last video I made was like in September or something. It's been a really busy few months, so really sorry about that. I'm going to try to get into a schedule again in the next month. So anyway, in this video, I really want to talk about email marketing with your app reskinning strategy because I found with app reskinning and any other type of business, it can be a very powerful tool to increase your revenue. So I'm going to show you an example that actually took place about like a week or two ago and show you how much money you really can make just by emailing people that you already sold stuff to or people who are thinking about buying your stuff. So with my example, I'm going to be using my own personal app reskinning course. This isn't really like an app reskinning business, but it'll work the same with reskinning apps, and I've done the same thing too, and it also works. Um, but with this course, you could really see the results. So basically, what happened was for my app reskinning course, I've been collecting some emails from people who like purchase my apps, or they download my free ebook, or they visit my website. I collect the emails of these people and I put them into a list. So from that list, I occasionally send emails to them trying to sell them either the course or a different ebook, or I just give them some free knowledge, and that kind of keeps them loyal to the group, I guess I would call it, since I do have a Facebook group. So anyway, over Black Friday, I did a sale on this course, as many of you may know, and I decreased the price of the course by 50%. I sent an email to about 500 people who were on this list, and it made a lot of money in sales, so I can show you guys the list. Right now, for my email marketing, the best free option is MailChimp. You can have like 1,000 subscribers total throughout all your lists for the free plan, and it's really nice and easy to use, so I definitely recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description. So I have a few different lists that I've been using. Of course, this is the one that I sent the app reskinning course to. So out of all the 500 subscribers, about 25% opened it, 6% clicked it, and of that 6%, probably a even smaller percentage actually purchased the course. But within like a couple of days, I probably got uh, like 3 times the amount of purchases that I normally would in a month because of this Black Friday sale and because of this email marketing campaign. So it really helped increase sales a lot. So if I click on it, see MailChimp's really nice because it like rates all the contacts. You can see the worst ones versus the best ones, and they have a certain algorithm to determine that based on like opens and clicks and how active they are. So anyway, MailChimp's really nice. You can sign up for free. Definitely try it out. And definitely what I would do is for your app reskinning business, people always pay you through PayPal, right? So if you go into your PayPal activity tab, it will show a list of all of your previous customers and it'll have their emails there. So you can just extract these emails and put it into a list and then email them and thank them for their purchase and ask them if they need any app updates or different apps to be developed. And that is a great way to earn additional revenue and also create customer loyalty. And occasionally you can send them free tips and stuff like that too, so you don't seem like you're just trying to sell them stuff all the time. And that's currently what I have right here. This is just some of my Applico development customers, and I send them emails occasionally too. I actually just made this one today, testing it out with this group. So I would definitely recommend trying out email marketing if you've already began reskinning apps. If you haven't began reskinning apps yet, now is still a great time to get into this. I would definitely recommend watching some of my previous app reskinning videos. I'll link those in the description as well if you want to check them out. So in the next coming weeks, I want to be releasing some videos about reskinning Android apps since a lot of people have been wanting to know that, and I haven't really done much content on that recently. So I will be releasing a video like that soon because I have started to get into Android apps too, and I'll tell you my experience about that. I'm also going to be doing some Amazon FBA videos because I got into that also, and tell you what I've learned about it and whether it's good or not, and the course that I've been using. So stay tuned for those videos. Besides that, that's about it for this video. Please check out email marketing. There are some great free tools like MailChimp and also some paid tools that are even better. I'll link some of those in the description. And yeah, it's a great way to really increase your revenue in addition to like the money you're already making just from selling stuff on Flippa or your own personal website. So definitely check that out, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Thank you.